English Prepositions Quiz. There will be 25 prepositions in total. For each preposition 10 seconds are given. Let's get started. She stood, line for 20 minutes. The coach shouted instructions, the players. We usually have lunch, noon. A monkey jumped, the branch. The Great Wall of China was built, the 7th century. The doctor warned me, eating too much sugar. The fans cheered loudly, the stadium. The roller coaster goes, the tunnel. The garden is full, colorful flowers. She walked, the train station with her suitcase. He was never late, he always arrived, Luckily, the ambulance got there, to save him. Your question, here is the official policy. She stood, the mirror, fixing her hair. We succeeded, hard work and determination. He acted, the rules and regulations. The students were dismissed early, the power outage. You may use email, phone calls. Her health, she stopped eating sugar. The company hired her, dash her strong qualifications. He refused to help, dash spite. Dash your proposal, I have some concerns. The decision was made, dash legal advice. Dash the forecast, the picnic might be postponed. Dash the holidays, his dedication, the office he was closed. Promoted quickly. How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comment section.